Hey everybody! So we've got AMS and CWSA open house coming up, and we're really excited to see everybody. So that the evening runs smoothly and you'll know what to expect, we're making this short video. Now, before you ever come to open house, we're asking each family to do two things. Number one, please re-register your student in Power School. If you haven't done it yet, here's what it looks like. To register your student through Power School, please visit our district webpage at nacoosasd.net. From the Families menu, please drop down to Power School, and then you will see the Power School login. If you have forgotten your Power School login, please contact our office at 715-886-8040, and we'll help you out. The second thing we're asking you to do is to register for an appointment time slot with your student's homeroom or advisory teacher. Now, you may not know who that is yet, so just sign up for the grade level, and when you arrive here, we'll let you know who that is. So, now that you've got that taken care of, let's head on inside. Now, as you arrive in the gym lobby, we'll have somebody meet you here who will be distributing Can't Hide Our Papermaker Pride yard signs. We've got enough of these for one per family. Whoever the oldest child in your family is, you'll pick them up at their school's open house. So if your oldest child's here at AMS, you'll get one here. Next, each family will come here into the gym where you will receive a copy of your student's schedule, homeroom teacher, locker combination, locker number, all that good stuff. If you have already registered before you came, we'll hand that to you and you'll be off to your appointment. If you haven't quite done that step, we'll ask you to stick around and we'll work through you to complete your registration before you go to your appointment. Once you have your student's schedule, we'll ask you to move through the building to get to the wing where your students' classes are held. If this is your first time in the building and you don't know where your student's wing is, don't worry. Walk down towards one end of the building and you'll see big number signs for every grade level, and so you'll know you're in the right place. Now, once you get to the wing, you'll head to meet with your student's homeroom or advisory teacher. You'll see the student's name on your schedule, and all the teachers' names are right here next to their doors. You'll also have time while here to be able to find your student's locker, put things in it if you wish, work the locker combination, and pretty much just get yourself settled. Once you're done meeting with your teacher and getting everything set in your locker, we're asking each family to exit via the exit doors at the end of each wing and head on outside from there. This way we can keep one-way traffic flow in the building and keep everybody safe. All right, that's it. We're excited to see you soon for open house. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get hold of our office at 715-886-8040. All right, you have a great day.